painting of the Rialto, and here we are. Here you have Santa Maria, which looks a little bit like this, but it doesn't really, because that's in Rome. I'm in the wrong place. So this is a print of a drawing photographed by New Athens in high detail definition. And the curious thing is it says St. Paul on it when it's St. Peter's. You got to get Peter to pay Paul. Yeah, I penned that one up and it was in Gallery Generata. And I got some stamps. Anyway, the fun thing is, there's a very big British ship, sailing ship, with a big red jack, which could be Australian, but it's probably English, just over there. And it probably is very new and costs have such a thing. Imagine that's come all the way from Portsmouth or somewhere like that to impress the Italians with. So we really know who's the boss here, and it's Captain Nicola over there. Actually not a phone. And on the left we have San Giorgio, on the right we have the Ducal Palace. We've got the George's Palace on the right and the St. George's Island on the left. So we're sailing between the two needles, which kind of constellate depending on where you are. So once I sailed out there, which is the Armenian monastery, with Mr. Franchetti and Babington and the crew. And from there we went on to another abandoned island. You see there's a church steeple on an island, but that's a ghost island with nobody on it. Part of Venice had the plague and things. You know, people tried to buy it, and the mayor of Venice didn't allow them to buy it, as a fortress on it. And basically when you're out there, the two needles meet together. And as you can see on our left is the police cruiser, making sure that everyone's cuffed in power and under total control, yeah. Totalny control. And some views of Venice there. So we're going to do some quick sketches. We're going to do like a tower and make sure it has a top. Yeah, and then there is the Dodgers Palace right there approaching. 3, 4, and then the gallery of arches, larger register arches there. Right, so you can just do a turner in motion. So how do we do this? Well, we just draw pediments and windows. So yeah, we've got the banks, 2 columns, just over there like that, and the Biblioteca Marciana. So let's have un po' d'acqua. Va bene, so if you look up there, what you see is like sky. We're just doing the water and the sky, and then we're going to move on to purple. I haven't even got my water, so I'm just spitting. It's a spitting image here, really, isn't it? Okay, so there's lots and lots of moving pictures, you know, like in film, yeah? Ha ha. Yeah. Brush is this one, and a little bit of red just on the tower there. Flag, I don't know. A load of people, isn't it? People. There we go. What else do we do? A bit of orange. qua. Not very accurate, is it? But I mean, in 3 minutes, it's alright. It's just getting it down on this watercolour bit. I mean, the other one we can do is this or that, the Redditori. But the Redditori is over there. It's not very well lit at this time of day. There then, I can do this, look, I can do a stamp. This is fun. Another one. So that's an F for Philip Firsov, yeah. Like that. È buona, è good for your teeth, isn't it? È buona per I denti, pulire I denti. Yeah, this is water from the actual lagoon, so it tastes amazing. It's like, you know, salt water full of, you know, urination, dog piss and everything else. And I had a really nice taste of it. Just thought it was drinking water for a sec. Obviously the captain was laughing over there, wasn't he? Right, yeah. Ora facciamo il programma per gli studenti, tipo tra poco farò una